I'm here at Niagara Falls to talk to you about the importance of monitoring humidity at your remote sites. Hi, this is Andrew from DPS and welcome back. I've been driving around upstate New York this week visiting DPS clients with a fellow DPS engineer, and I thought I'd stop by Niagara Falls because we were in the area, and it's a great example of humidity when you look at all the mist that's being kicked up here. And I wanted to remind you that it's really important to monitor humidity out at your remote sites. Obviously, I hope you've not installed any telecom equipment next to a giant raging waterfall, but it's a great example of humidity and the fact that if it gets inside your remote sites, it can cause damage. And really, not just due to high humidity. Yeah, high humidity leads to condensation, it's going to build up on your equipment and cause a lot of damage to any unprotected electronics. Most people recognize that, but you may not also realize that low humidity is also a danger because you can have a buildup of static electricity, and when that discharges, you can have damage to your electronics. So humidity is probably the most important environmental you need to monitor aside from temperature. And it's very easy to do. All you need is a simple sensor attached to your RTU. And in fact, if you're rolling out a new site, some new monitoring, just go ahead and get a temperature and humidity combination sensor, so it'll do both right there for you. And then on the RTU side, you want to make sure you can take that analog value, 50% humidity, 80% humidity, and wrap some thresholds around that, so that if it gets to a value that's too high or too low, the RTU is going to send you a message to tell you, hey, that humidity is too high or too low. So if you'd like some help with your humidity monitoring, you'd like to chat about what your goals are and maybe how to accomplish them, please give me a call. Just click the link below to get in touch with me. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, I wish you excellent network reliability.